Well, hello, my name is Pablo. I'm here to talk about the teaching about creativity and technology. Well, I think that the idea is very good, and the examples they give, there are actual examples and real examples about what is happening in the schools and the thinking about that the schools now is not implementing the creativity and its peak. Uh, yeah. I think that it's very important to us, to the new generation of students, to be aware about what is creativity, as the article was saying that these generations or the last generations, well, no, more like this. The when you are in high school or in college, your creativity is not too high. It's actually low because all the high school and college stuff or teaching method kill your creativity, as the video that we see in Thursday, I think. Well, also I think that in Mexico it would be good implementing this type of method of school. Actually, the last year, no, 2 years ago, I made a, I don't know how to say it in English, but like like an article like this one actually, saying that the actual method in Mexico is I don't know how to say it. Wait a second. Well, the word was obsolete. That the method in Mexico is that is used is obsolete, and also I think that um, there are no implementing new methods, but actually the last year when I graduated from high school, they have been talking about a method named Prepa Nahuac in my school, in my high school, and that is actually that implementing that type of creativity into classes, that is not easy to the teachers and students, because it's a change of mind, but it's actually working. This year was the leading team, like the first year in going that project, and it's very cool. Actually, the last year when I was the professor, I was in one school that has already the program Prepa Nahuac and that sort of things, and it's very good because in that two schools that I was there, in one, they were workshops about engineering and carpenter and program and all that stuff. That it was good to increase the creativity about of the students. They give a problem to the students and they need to solve to all his classes. Like for example, if I give a problem about environment, and they talk about in ecology ecology about how to treat that problem, and um, in education and in religion, all sort of things. And it was good. They're actually uh, good at that now, I think. And wait, well, my own opinion about this article, I think is very good, and if is well used, it could be work to some schools or some projects, and that it will be good. I think that the professor is the most important key about this article, because if the professor doesn't know how to treat this new environment of the creativity thing, I think it will be harder. Like you, Miss Laura, it's good because you do this type of works, like about like the videos, or that you can speak and at the same time making your head work, about this time I'm doing without seeing text or something. It's like only creativity, and also the type of projects about underline the articles and that stuff is is not a certain thing that you need to underline. It's more like what I think I need to underline. It's more like I can do whatever I want, but I need to do it, and that's what I like about your class. Um, wait. And implementing this in schools in Mexico, it will be good, but first I think it could be a simple project about creativity and start from that certain spot about little things, and then if it works to that school they could implement that method, because not all the schools can implement that method, about because the article says that you need the technology and all that certain stuff, and some schools don't have it. It's the reality of Mexico, and I think it will be good to be in more schools this method. Bye, Miss. Se le quiere.